Hello everyone. I hope everybody having a great day. Let's start our 45 days CPA marketing course. In our previous lecture, I already told you about what is CPA marketing, and those who don't know what is CPA marketing, you know, please watch our previous lecture. Okay. Now, in this lecture, we are going to know every step what we are going to take in our future, future lessons. First of all, why we want to make a website. Okay, everybody is asking me, why do we need website if we have to do every work with Instagram page or any other pages. So I will tell you what is the reason behind website. First of all, in our website, what we are going to do, we are going to make three pages. Okay, first page is store page, second page is review page, and third page is fake page. And this page is we are going to make via subdomain. Okay, I will tell you about all, when we are doing to, when we are going to set up our website, I will give you a video, and that section I will tell you about what is subdomain. Okay, let's know what we are going to do in our, in our further lectures. So now, why we need a landing page? I already told you we are going to, make some Instagram pages, or Facebook pages, or Reddit, or whatever platform you love the most. We will going to make pages on those. Okay. Now on that pages, what we going to do, we are creating a store related to girls stuff. What is stuff? Girls stuff. Okay, now what we do, we are going to post many things on that pages, like suits, handbags, and all many things. When the traffic came here, suppose that you are promoting a offer related to handbag. Okay, that is a handbag offer. Now this handbag offer have any link, you know you what you have to do, suppose this handbag have any link. And first of all, what I tell you, you cannot promote any affiliate link or CPA link directly on Instagram. Okay, if you promote any affiliate link or CPA link directly on Instagram, Facebook, or Reddit, you will get blocked. Okay, so what we need to do, what landing page we create on our website, we are going to promote that link on our website. Okay, on our website, suppose that in our in our Instagram pages, we put so many photos here. Okay, so many photos here. So what we need to do, we are going to promote our website link here. Okay, again, suppose that this is X handbag. What we need to do here in our website, we are going to make a page related to X. We are going to make two buttons here. First, buy now. Second, buy now in discounted price. As we know, everybody is going to click on that button. Okay, in that button, what we need to do, we are going to put our affiliate link or our CPA link. Okay, when person complete that offer, we are going to get money, we are going to earn money. So that's why landing page required. Why? Because Instagram is our bridge pages. Okay, here we get traffic. Website is our sale page. What is this? Sale page. Traffic go to this page. When they click link here, then you get earn. So that's why landing page is required. Now what a second thing, review page. As we know, we are going to set up our website for the long run. Okay, so what we need to do here, we need to do two type of work here. For first, long run work, and second, short term work. Why we are going to do short term work? If as we we already know short term works don't work very well. We need to do that short term work because we need money right now. Okay, first we earn money from the short term work, and we invest on long run work. So that's why what we need to do, we are going to spend our daily 2 to 3 hours on short term work. And after that, what money we will earn from here, $30 to 20, $30 to $50 every day, we are going to invest that money in our long run work. So what we need to do here, I'm going to give you so many keywords related to affiliate marketing, and in a different niche. Okay, so you are going to write article or write a review on that long run journey. It's totally up to you. If you only want to work on the short term, then you need only two things: first, landing page, and second, fake page. Okay, and if you want to go to the long run too, because suppose that if you get lead, if you generate lead, if there is 100 people, okay, and that is the offer, that is the offer X, that is the offer Y. X related to CPA marketing, and Y related to affiliate marketing. Okay, in X offer, if 100 people fill your lead, then you only earn $100. Suppose that in affiliate marketing you have 100 people, and only 2 people buy product from here, you maybe earn thousands of dollars. That is the power of affiliate marketing. So what, in a review page, we are going to promote few things. So in a week there is a 7 days. For 4 days we are going to promote CPA marketing because we need money right now. And by CPA marketing we can earn money on daily basis. And in and for 3 days we are going to write a reviews article, and I will tell you how to write a review article. And this thing give us money in a long run, in a future, when your article get ranked on Google, and you automatically get earned every day. So that is the profit of review page. Okay, so we are going to work on both the thing, a short term work as well as in a long run work. Now the third thing, the fake page. I want to give you example here, what we are going to do here. Okay, wait a second. Suppose, see this page, that is the Instagram pages. Okay, in view private Instagram, that is kind of landing page which I downloaded from the internet, in which, if you what you do, if you put any Gmail ID here, whatever Gmail ID, whatever, and you click continue. Okay, now what is going to do, it generates something. It is a view private Instagram. You can view anybody private Instagram, but that is a fake thing. Okay, you are not going to view anybody's private Instagram. Okay, but it what it gives you, it gives people hope that they can view any other person private Instagram. So but what they have to do for that, they have to do user verification. Okay, now they have to complete this offer. So if you complete any one of offer, that person who make this landing page earn $1 every time. Okay, $1 every time when they completed that offer. But he will not going to view any Instagram private profile or any that. It is just a fake page. Okay, so what in the fake page. In fake page we are going to learn about how to make generators, okay, how to make Facebook pages, Facebook hack pages, and it is just a landing page, and I am going to tell you for educational purpose only. Okay, we are going to learn Instagram hack pages, on which you can view anybody's private profile and all, and Snapchat, like there are so many social media platform, and and what is the thing here? If you search, suppose that the daily traffic of this type of thing is in millions people searching that thing every day. So if you provide landing page related to this, and if people think that is real, okay, then you are going to earn thousands of dollar every day, thousands of dollar every day, and people are earning from that, people are earning from that. Okay, and you can ask me that why I'm not doing things, because it is not ethical. It's only up to you. If you wanted to do that, then do. If you don't wanted to do that, then don't do. I will teach you this for the educational purpose only. If you wanted to learn this, it's okay. If you don't want, it is okay. Okay, now you can search that thing, go to any Uber suggest or not. Let's I will show you this. Okay, now suppose that go to um, Uber suggest. Uber suggest, it is a free tool by which you can see what is the volume of a particular keyword. Suppose that I search Instagram. Suppose that I search Instagram hack. Now if I search that, what we will see, wait a second, you can see here the search volume and all. The search volume is 22,200, and you can multiply it by 10 or 20. You can see the search volume here. If it is not a real search volume, okay, if you multiply 10 on that, or on 100 on that, that will become a real search volume, and it is high. So approximately that much of person. Suppose that if I want to search Facebook hack. Okay, Facebook hack. Okay, now if I search that thing, and it is that search volume only belong to United States. Suppose that we see that search from India. Okay, India. Okay, now you can see 40,500. So you can see that for the whole global, it will around millions of traffic are there. So if you rank on that keyword, then you don't even know how much you are going to earn. So I will teach you how to make that type of pages. Okay, so that are the fake pages, and you can see here, if anybody see that page, and they will believe that that is the real page. Okay, nice Instagram logo, page is looking genuine and all, you know everything, there is a testimonial and all, so everybody think that is good. Okay, now so that we learn in our process. Now the other thing what we are going to learn, so what we do for traffic, first today I will I will tell you about what we are going to do in future. Then in our next lecture I am going to tell you how to set up website, how to set up website, and how to set up whatever page, first page. In starting I'm going to teach you about Instagram marketing, how to set up Instagram page. Okay, and I will teach you from day 3. And in so many lecture you see that nobody do the action plan. Okay, but in day 3 to day 10, every day we are going to make a extra plan, action plan. And whatever report I will get, you will get that report too. Okay, now if I will make a fresh Instagram page, I will make a fresh website, I will I will going to I will write a review. Okay, and I will give you the keywords, you will write the review. I will post 50 Instagram posts, you will post 50 Instagram posts. I will tell you how to follow unfollow people. I will tell you how to get traffic, and what traffic I am getting and whatever traffic you are getting. Every day whatever I will do, step by step for the 45 days, we are going to do everything related to it. Okay, and whatever I will do, you are going to do that thing, in a same manner, not even almost in a same manner, and you will earn money. Okay, I hope you will get that thing. What we will do for the traffic from day 3 to day 10, Instagram marketing from day 11 to day 15. We will get millions of traffic on each platform. On each platform I will tell you how to get traffic. You can use that traffic in so many way. By so many way you can earn by this traffic. Okay, and I will tell you how to monetize all this traffic. Okay, now you know how we are going to implement that methods. In our further lecture we are going to talk about how we are going to implement. What I'm going to do for you every day. I will implement method. I will implement method, and you are going to follow me. Okay, okay, same action plan, whatever I will do you will do too. Same action plan, copy me on daily basis. After 45 days you will see the result. And now what you have to do for me, as everybody know, I'm going to give you these course. Nobody give CPA marketing course for free. Whole CPA marketing course for free in any platform. In any platform you can see, every platform like YouTube, or whatever free platform are that, Telegram, or everywhere. Nobody give the full course on CPM marketing, and I'm going to give you the whole action plan for that. Okay, so please share this course as much as possible. Share this course. I just want only this thing from you. Share this course as much as possible, and that will be a great help. That is an initiative. If everyone, you know, if I help 5,000 to 10,000 people, you can, you don't know how much happy I will be, because of me, these 5,000 to 10,000 people who are not earning a single bit, after that they will earn. Okay, so I hope you will, I'm not going to ask you any money from this course. I'm not going to tell you that give me any money. No money, totally free course. Please tell everyone, that help I only wanted from you. Share this course as much as possible. Thank you. Thank you very much.